Meaning of drip dry.
Drip dry.
Drip dry.
Drip dry.
Drip dry. The term drip dry refers to a type of clothing that can be washed and hung up to dry without needing to be ironed or pressed afterwards. This type of fabric is typically made from materials that are wrinkle-resistant and quick-drying. When clothes are drip-dried, they are hung up to dry after being washed, often in a way that allows the excess water to run off them, hence the term drip dry. As a result, the clothes dry naturally without being subjected to heat or pressure, and are left with minimal wrinkling or creasing.